Hello, friends. Welcome to AQYS YouTube channel. This session is a part of our daily current affairs series. In today's session, we'll discuss about black hole. So before we discuss that, let me contextualize why we are discussing about black hole. So recently, Indian researchers discovered the merger of three supermassive black holes. So three galaxies they merged, and because of this merging of three supermassive black holes took place. Now, before we understand how it happened, let's try to understand about black hole. Now, black hole it is an object in space which is very dense. It is extremely dense and it has such gravity that no light, no matter can escape the pull of black hole. So there is the presence of massive gravity in the black hole. Now you must know about event horizon, and UPSC has already asked question on event horizon. Now what is this event horizon? See, look at the boundary of the black hole. Now if any matter or any light crosses this boundary, then it will get sucked into it. Okay, so this event, this boundary, it is known as event horizon. So the moment any light crosses this boundary, it will get merged or it will get sucked into black hole. So no matter, no light can escape this black hole. Okay, now let's talk about the supermassive black hole. Simply, the black hole which is larger in size, it is known as supermassive black hole. So every galaxy has one supermassive black hole. Okay, almost every galaxy. Okay, now let's talk about the merger of supermassive black hole. Let's try to understand that. So as I said, three galaxies, three galaxies, they merged. So how did this merger take place? So these galaxies they exert gravitational forces on each other. Okay, so because of these gravitational forces, they start colliding. Okay, so collision takes place. Now, because of the collision, what happens that black holes they transfer kinetic energy to surrounding particles. Okay, so there are two black holes here, and now they transfer the kinetic energy to their surrounding particles. So, because of this kinetic energy, they start moving close to each other. But at certain point, the movement does not happen further. Okay, so movement stops. So this point is known as parsec. Remember this parsec. So after this point, there is no movement. So when you have third black hole, then these two black holes will transfer kinetic energy to the third black hole. And because of this, these three black holes will get merged. So this is how the merger took place. Okay, now these three black holes will form active galactic nucleus. Okay, so this is how the galaxies evolve. So this is how the galaxies evolve, and we get the new galaxy. Now from the prelims perspective, you must know what is black hole. Just remember there is this massive gravity in the black hole. It is very dense. You must be aware of event horizon. Then you must know the difference between normal black hole and supermassive black hole. And now you must know about this merger as well, and the process behind this merger. You must have the understanding. And I have provided the notes regarding this news. You can go through the PPT, and If you have liked our initiative, you can subscribe our YouTube channel for more such videos, and you can follow our social media platforms for daily current affairs content. Okay, so that's all for today's session. I'll see you in the next session soon. Thank you. Thank you very much.